today we have with us this 2017 XC90 that came all the way from Mumbai for Graphenizer carbon flux process. And let me show you how we do this process. Okay, first this is Graphenizer 1. So we have added Graphenizer 1 here. It's running. This is what's going to happen to your diesel tank when you add this to your diesel tank. This is what's happening inside your tank. Okay, so when your fuel is on reserve, you want to add this, and then you will drive for 10 kilometers to 15 kilometers. Okay, you will get the same thing that's happening right now. Okay, so this is going to be consumed by the car. It will clean the injectors, nozzles, valves, wash pump, the overall layer of the car, and all the carbon will start leaving the vehicle. It will start settling near the catalytic converter. For that, we'll use carbon flux and we'll clean that also. So I'll show you the whole process. Just keep watching. Okay. So right now we're doing Graphenizer 2 process. Shake this properly. I already opened the cover of the engine oil and pour this inside the engine oil. Okay. So this is going inside the engine oil. It will start creating a layer of graphene inside your engine. Okay. So that will spread heat evenly. So your heat will go down. Your heat will reduce up to 60%. The performance of your vehicle will go up. At the same time, your load will go down. Okay, when your load goes down because there's less friction, you start noticing that the performance is going really well, smoother engine. The reduction of heat will be up to 60%, you can expect. On top of that, you'll notice that the engine oil's life will go up. So 10,000 kilometers engine oil, you're getting up to 20,000 kilometers just by pouring Graphenizer 2. Okay, at the same time, you'll notice that your engine's life will go up. Your engine's wear and tear is going to reduce drastically. Okay, so every time you get your engine oil change, get Graphenizer 2. Okay, you can get it on Amazon, Flipkart, or even on graphenizer.com. Okay, so give us a call, get yourself Graphenizer 2. So right now we're doing Graphenizer 3 process. Shake this properly. Okay, I've already opened the diesel cover. Petrol or diesel, the process is the same. All you have to do is just pour this inside the tank like this. This is going to go inside your tank. It will start burning your unburned fuel, the sludge inside your diesel tank or petrol tank, and your bacteria. It will start also cleaning your fuel line, and it will start cleaning your injector over time. So if you use this every single time, you can notice that your mileage has increased up to 50%. So you can expect up to 50% increase in mileage just because of this one product. Okay. So the first time you want to be using both the bottles that came in your package, but then after you finish your full tank, every full tank you want to put half of the bottle. Okay. So this bottle will serve 2 full tanks, and you can get this on Amazon, Flipkart, or even graphenizer.com, or get in touch with us. Get yourself Graphenizer 3. Okay. So your car will thank you because over time there will be no carbon accumulation, so you don't have to do any carbon cleaning or anything if you use this very regularly. Okay. So Graphenizer 3. So right now we're doing Graphenizer carbon flush. Okay. This is the final step. So we're going to be pouring this. You will see how much carbon will come out of this car after we leave this settle for like around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay.